Hola Amigos, we are the Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, where are we up to now?
Demolition seems to be the story, or the nightmare, whichever you prefer, that never ends. Here we are with more.
Roots again.
Hello.
Day number 5.
Sure.
Something like that, of working on the bus. So today's job is...
We're gonna start busting ribbons.
Yes, we tried yesterday. Total failure.
Not really, we got a bunch of ribbons.
Well, yeah, but just the easy ones, not the structural ones. That's pain in the ass. My hand still hurts.
Today we're gonna bust structural ribbons. Laura's gonna come around with that tool. So she's gonna go through, punch the centers out of all the ribbons.
Speak louder.
And then I'm gonna part through and shear the heads off. It's kind of like eating syrup. Pinch the head.
And then you make them strip them.
Something like that.
Yeah, sorry about that. At this point, we're still learning the process on how to take a sort of okay video, I guess you can say. Anyway, here we are again. Now we're drilling out rivets from the walls and the ceiling panels. Not really hard, well, except the ceiling, that part was hard. Yeah, keep holding the drill for hours at a time above your head. Yeah, your arms get numb really fast. Anyway, but not hard, really, just time consuming. Well, you see, this was like a trial and error sort of experiment. It's not like we built a bus before or demo a bus before, for that matter. We also tried the air hammer with a chisel bit. That was sweet. The air hammer with the chisel bit, ooh, it was fun. It was just bang, 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 it's gone. Again, the power of the right tools. Still took time. It still was kind of painful in the arms and the shoulders to keep the gun above my head, but it was faster, it was easier, much better. Oh yeah, we also removed all the lights and the speakers and the fans from the ceiling. That was easy. And once the rivet heads and the screws were gone, it was easy to remove the wall panels. Look, we are not gonna sugarcoat anything here and show a romantic fun video on a bus build. This is truly hard, labor-intensive work that if not careful, it could easily be, losing a finger or get seriously hurt. And consider that we are no spring chickens, everything gets intensified. Oh yeah, did I mention how fun it was to remove the insulation? The fiberglass insulation? Woohoo! That was awesome! But even with that, it was lots of fun and very rewarding. I don't know about you guys, but for us, there is nothing more satisfying than building something with our own hands and at the same time going through a learning process. For us, this totally enriches the soul.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.